Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to block a Facebook page from a Facebook newsfeed. So let's go to the Facebook first. Then you have to scroll down, and this is a Facebook page. I want to block this Facebook page. So if you want to block this Facebook page, you have to click on beside that three dot icon. You can see here, right? Just click on three dot icon, and then you'll find here this option, block the Facebook page name. Click on this block and your Facebook page will be blocked. Or else the second method is, if you want to block a Facebook page, go to that Facebook page first, then you have to click on this three dot icon and choose block, and it will ask you for the confirmation. If you click on confirm, this Facebook page will be blocked. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.